عملت الخير يا سيدي، لك الخير مسيح كامل. Where are you from? Kenya. Kenya. All the home. Most welcome.
He is risen.
And so I love this account, and I sympathize with John. This is written by John, of course. You all know that John's Gospel, he describes himself as the other disciple. But that's him. That's John. And he describes here how he and Peter ran to the tomb. When Mary came and told them that she'd gone to the tomb, she didn't know where Jesus was. So Peter and the other disciples started for the tomb. It's very competitive. He says, look, we started together. We set off at the same time.
because my home was damaged, destroyed completely. My son's home was also ruined and burnt also. So it's so difficult to find a place to stay in or safe. Even if we stay there, we will be shocked because all the rooms were shut down. Now we came here, but we were surprised that we can stay for such a long time. We hope that the United States, we hope that the Security Council will find a solution for this so difficult situation,